I just want to take a look at Scale here. It's not up majorly, but it's up about 6% already today. This is a coin that I do have in my bag. I think it'll be, an okay coin. I don't have a lot of it though, but as you can see, we've taken a look at it before. I do have a lot of lines already drawn here from previous, times we've taken a look. Now, it is maintaining this longer term trend line here. I mean, this trend line, I just looked at it. It goes back, several months or so. It did manage, to stay above that trend line. It also managed to stay above this, we can say, support line right now. But it did fall below this 11.8 cent mark. Now, I did a video on this not too long ago, and we talked about the resistance that it had over here as well, right here, and it was resistance here. There was one point right here, and it did manage to get above. There was some support here, and it didn't hold the support. It fell back through. You can see it almost came up to the line here a couple of times. I would say that's close enough, really. This line really probably isn't exact. And, it managed to get above. Again, couldn't hold, get above. So this area, you can see there's a lot of action around this 11.8 cents. Right now, Scale is sitting right below this line. So basically, if Scale is going to do anything, it needs to get above 11.8 cents. Let's just say 12 cents, round it up. And, at the moment, Bitcoin, like yesterday, I spoke about this candle here and how it came down and almost touched this line for support. It looked like it came close enough for me. And like I said, this line is probably not exact either. But throughout the night, basically, it stayed relatively above it until this candle at midnight. Got a big wick down. But since then, it's been trending pretty strongly upward. So this is the 1 hour chart. So let's see if it can hold 65.7. Like I said, we don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Next resistance is going to be about 67, let's just say 9. If we can break above that, then we have this Fibonacci here at about 69.1.2. So these are the next, areas to be looking for to break. If we look at this on the daily, let's see, yesterday was fairly ugly, but if you look at it, we're still making higher lows, really. We actually didn't go lower than the close from the day before. So yeah, well, we wicked down, sorry. But if we close below this, I would say that would be a bad sign. But right now, we are starting to get some momentum to go back up. But overall, you can see we're really trending up, So if we, sorry about that. Okay, so here we go. If you look at it like this, we are trending up basically. I can even extend this line down and, maybe connect it to this wick or so. But yeah, I mean, mainly from this candle, it looks like we're still trending up. So I think that's a good sign. Now, if we break lower, like I said, if we go lower than this candle and lower than this, area here, if we start closing candles down here, then we have some problems. I would say right here you have some support at about 61.0. So that would be an area that, you would want to hold, I would say. We can mark that off, basically. But I should probably color that maybe orange, you know, because that's kind of a important line to hold. Now, yeah, overall we're still ranging, I would say. Nothing major has gone on with Bitcoin. Fundamentals still strong. ETFs, you know, are still. Yesterday we had an inflow, not an outflow, you know, but the inflow was quite small, 40 million. So yeah, guys, nothing has really changed. There's nothing really to be scared about. But anyways, the main, you know, part of this video is about Scale. But, you know, whatever Bitcoin does affects Scale as well. So yeah, Scale, just looking to get above this resistance here, about 11.8. Now, as I've said in the past, the longer the candle above that line, the better. So ideally, you want to see daily and weekly candles and things like this close. But you know, if it starts to get a 1 hour and then a 4 hour candle, that's good too. But you know, short-term time frames, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that doesn't really, you know, mean a lot. But anyways, yeah, Scale, actually one of the more, I would say, stronger coins right now, despite the downturn. So let's see what it can do. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe, activate the bell. See you in the next one.